Hi guys! Today we're gonna make French toast and beef.
Bacon.
Bacon. I only beef. Okay, so we have beef, and we have butter, we have 2 slices of bread, and we have a measuring cup, we have an egg, and we have a scissors, and we have a fork, we have a bowl, and we have milk, fresh milk, and we have a stove. Now step 1, we crack the egg. Oh no. No, it's here. Never mind.
Right here?
I gotta wash my hands. Step 2 is what? Milk. So you cannot too much. Put that inside the egg.
Right.
So now we're gonna mix. I gotta close this. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna mix. Oh no. Oopsie. Hang on. So now step 3, cut bread into pieces. Oh no. Oh guys. Okay, so we already have 2 here. Put this thing there. Scissors there. So now we're step 5. Step 4, we need to put butter
On the pan.
in the pan.
Okay, enough.
So now we're going to spread it. Okay. So we need to put this bread.
The other one? One more, dip it in. Okay. Explain what you're doing.
So we need to wait for 1 minute. Now we need to flip it.
You hold this.
Stop sticking each other. Now it's ready, so we're gonna put this at the plate. Now is the beef. Okay. Okay, so get 1 slice and put it right on this. It smells so good. Stop sticking each other. Okay, you guys. Panas lagi ni.
Itu boleh pecahkan.
We gotta flip it. Anna, it's so hard.
Okay, try first. There you go. Yeah. Just spread it out. Okay.
Anna, wait in 1 minute. Smells so delicious. An hour later. Now it's ready. It's popping, so it's ready to be served. Okay. So I gotta put that right here. So now we gotta put the salad. I don't mind it. You guys need to eat it, okay? That is now ready to dessert. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun.